Make a great choice today with the 2021 Venza. Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.